Hey everyone, we have Nivea body lotion, so let's check out its review and demo. This is 120 ml bottle, MRP is 120 rupees, but we got it from Amazon for just 91, and you get options of 120 ml, 200 ml and 600 ml bottle, out of which 600 ml one is available at a really good discount, 42% off. I have put the link in the description box, and this is suitable for dry to very dry skin type, and the cream is white in color with medium consistency. The texture is rich but non-greasy, and it absorbs very well into the skin and very quickly, and it provides really good moisturization. The pack claims 72 hours of moisturization, but yes, apply it once a day and that's enough. That keeps the skin soft throughout the day, and it contains hyaluronic acid, almond oil, vitamin E, which deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. And it also have a lovely light fragrance which is not too strong, just a mild pleasant scent. And you must clearly see the difference on the hand where I applied it and where I didn't. The skin stays moisturized clearly. So in winter it is a must have product for dry skin. If you use it regularly, the dryness, roughness of the skin all will reduce. So I really like this product. If you have dry skin, definitely give it a try, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.